Hi, and welcome to this new release of my Watches Companion 4.3. This release adds a new tool to browse watches stored in the backup files. Go to Tools, then when you scroll down or when you open the Backup and Restore, you will see now a new button called Browse Backup. Then choose the backup file you want to look at. And now you will see the watch faces in this backup. There you can perform different things. So for example, you can install, let me select, so you can install a non-protected watch face. There can be two cases. If you already have a watch face with the same name, it will replace the watch. This feature is meant for people who are working on watches or editing a watch and screwed up, so they can restore a watch face from the last backup. The other case is you don't have a watch face with the same name. In this case, the watch face will be installed. Another new feature is the possibility to see the difference with another backup. If you choose Compare and then select another file, then it will select the watch faces that are in this backup and not in the compared to backup. The download link of my Watches Companion is in the description. And stay tuned to this channel for more improvement of my Watches Companion.